today's craft. All you'll need is some wool of different colours. You can do as many as you like. Some tape, some scissors and a glue gun. And then you'll also need some rope. I've just got this on eBay. This is 3 meters. Some wire. So this is like picture wire. Again, I got it off eBay. So the first thing you want to do is work out exactly how big you want your rainbow to be and lay out the rope. So I have decided that I want to have 5 different colours and for it to be around about 20 centimetres long. And now I'm going to cut the ends so that I will have 5 lengths of rope that are exactly the same length. So I have cut my 5 lengths of rope to size and taped off the ends. Now these bits here that you've taped off will be the little fringy ends, so make sure you tape off enough for exactly the size fringe that you want. Now what we're going to do is start wrapping the rope with the coloured wool. So to do this you will need to use your wire and you need to cut 5 lengths of wire exactly the same length as the rope. I've now attached a wire and taped down the ends, and this will just hold it in place and give it a bit more structure. You could actually tape it there as well if you wanted to hold the wire down. So I'm now ready to start wrapping each bit of rope in wool. Wrap the wool around all the lengths of rope and I'm really happy with how they look. So now I'm going to use a glue gun, my absolute favourite. I'm going to apply just a line of glue along the outside of each length and stick them together. So I have removed the tape from the ends of the wool and unravelled the rope to make a cute little fringe. And what I'm going to do now is just tidy up some of the ends, which you can do by using a glue gun. Okay, so I have attached a bit of thread which I'm going to use to hang it up, and all I did was just poke a hole between 2 of the layers and just squeeze a bit of wool through, which I can use to hang up with like that. And then the final thing I did was I just decided I wanted to untangle all the bits of string, all the ends, to create a bit more of a fluffy fringe, and I really like the way that looks. So I'm all done now, I'm ready to put it up.